Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Sulfarm. So in this video I'll talk about convalescent plasma therapy. You may probably heard about the convalescent plasma therapy in the news, and as of now in India, central government and many other states have given the permission to conduct convalescent plasma therapy to treat the COVID-19 patient. Now the question is, what is convalescent plasma therapy? So convalescent, it means somebody is getting recovered from any kind of disease or any kind of illness or any kind of sickness. Plasma, it is nothing but the portion of blood, or we can say that it is a part of blood, as blood contains various cellular contents like RBC, hemoglobin, WBC, platelets. Apart from all these cellular content, there is another part which is called as plasma. Therapy, it means medical treatment. Now you'll see what plasma is responsible for. So plasma is mainly responsible for maintaining the pH of the blood. Now if you'll see in plasma, it contains various types of proteins. So among them, there is one protein called as antibody, and this antibody produced against the antigen for the fighting against the antigen of the virus. So whenever the body get infected with the virus, so against this antibody produced naturally into the body to fight against the antigen of the virus. So antigen, it is nothing but the part of the body of the virus or bacteria. Now you'll see how antibody fights against the antigen of the virus. Let's have an animation video for this. So this is virus, it contains antigens. With the help of antigen, it gets binds onto the receptor of the host cell so that it can replicate and it can produce many more like virus. So naturally in the body, simultaneously some antibody also get produced, and these antibody gets binds to the antigen of the virus so that it will not allow virus to bind onto the host cell receptor and it will get dissolved. So this is how antibody gets fight with the antigen of the virus. Now you'll see how patient get recovered from the coronavirus. So let's assume one person is there and he gets infected with the coronavirus. So body will naturally produce two type of antibody. One is IgM and second one is IgG, that is immunoglobulin M and immunoglobulin G. So IgM, it will take around 7 days to get produced into the body, and IgG, it will take around the 14 days to produce into the body after getting infection, and these two antibodies start fighting against the antigen of the coronavirus so that patient can get recover. Now we can say that patient has become immune to this virus and it has the immunity to this virus. Now if in case patient will get suffer from the coronavirus second time, so he can or she can recover very easily with mild symptoms. Now we can use those recovered patient for treating the other infected patient. How? Now the recovered patient has high concentration of IgM and IgG. So these are the two antibody which is present in higher concentration in recovered patient. Now we can extract those antibody with the help of plasma and we can donate it into the other infected patient. So in this case, recovered patient will be as a donor and patient will be as a recipient. Now you'll see, can we do convalescent plasma therapy by simple blood transfusion? Is it possible or not? Let's see. It could be possible, but if blood group is same, but patient may have some different blood group, so it is not possible. So what can we do? What's the next way we can use? So here we need to separate some plasma from the patient and we need to deliver those plasma into the other infected patient. Now the question is, how can we extract those plasma from the blood? Let's have an animation video for this. So this is blood. It contains various components like RBC, WBC, platelets and plasma. So these components neither get dissolved or not settle down. So blood before going into the blood bank, it needs to be tested and it needs to be separated. Various components, it needs to be separated. So question is, how can we separate the various component of the blood? So can we use the simple filter paper to filter those component of blood? Is it possible or not? So answer is not, because blood contains various component which is too small in size, so even smaller particles can get out of the filter paper and it is not possible to get the plasma. So what's the next way? So we can use the centrifuge machine here. In centrifuge machine we need a test tube. In test tube it fills with the blood and it kept into the centrifuge machine, and it is rotated at the higher speed and at high constant speed, and after completion of centrifugation process we have a separate plasma. If you'll see test tubes, so heavier part of the blood like RBC, WBC and platelets, it gets settled down, and lighter part of the blood like plasma, it will in the upper portion of the test tube. So this is how we can separate the plasma from the blood with the help of centrifugation process. So in convalescent plasma therapy, still we have some problems while doing convalescent plasma therapy. So first problem is that for this process to work, we need more patient to get recovered. As of now, India has only around 10,000 recovered patient, and infected patient is more than 35,000. So it is not possible to treat every patient with the help of convalescent plasma therapy by taking plasma from the recovered patient. Second problem is that we cannot take a huge amount of blood from the recovered patient, as person has already gone through a viral infection. We need volunteers. If somebody not willing to donate the blood, then it will not feasible. Now what can we do to avoid this? So we need to extract the antibody from the plasma, and we have to study the antibody, how it looks like, what is the structure of antibody, what protein sequence it has. So we have to produce similar antibody with the help of some other specific technique like monoclonal antibody or hybridoma technology. So this is how we can produce some other antibody, and we can reach to the many more patient. So thank you friend for watching this video, and stay home and stay safe. And if you like the video, then please hit the button like and do comment and share among your friend, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Self Farm. So thank you, see you in next video.